Welcome to Robo YouTube channel. Today my access lesson is, today I am going to show you how to maximize your MS Access form and MS Access report. So normally, look at my database. This is my sample database. Here I have a form called FRM main. So normally it opens like this in form view. So what I want to do, I want to maximize this form. So how can I maximize this form? So actually this is very simple. So what you should do is, first of all you have to right click on the form and go to design view. When you are in design view, you can see when you are in design view, so your form is like this. So to maximize this form, so what you should do is just select your form here and open the property sheet. So once you open the property sheet, there you can see a tab called other. So you have to select the other tab. So there under the form, when you click on the other tab, then you have option called pop-up. So under this pop-up, you have a drop-down box like this. So from this drop-down menu, you have to select yes. Then I selected pop-up equals yes. Okay. So that is what you should basically do. So once you select pop-up equal to yes, then just save your database, save the change like this. Then just click on the form view. Now your form is like this, but it is not maximized. So how can you maximize the form? Again, go to design view and right click on the form and go to build event. So under the build event, you have to select form and you have to select the load event. Form load event. You have to select form load event. So there you have to type small VBA coding do cmd dot maximize. Okay, then save it and close the VBA window. Then just try, then select the form view. Now you can see your form is maximized when you are opening. Now what about the report? So here is the preview report. So I normally select one record here. So I select record number 5 and click the preview report. So I can't see my report. So what happens? So it is hidden. Then I have to do the same thing to my form. So I want to maximize my form when it opens. So again, to maximize your form, you have to right click your form and go to design view. Then from the design view, again you have to go to report property. Then under the report property, as same as the form, there is a tab called other. So you have to select the other tab and then you can see the pop-up option is there. So under the pop-up option, what you should do is you have to select the yes, pop-up value to yes. You have to change the pop-up value to yes. So it is by default you can see pop-up equals no, but you have to select the pop-up equals yes. So then save the change, then go to report view. So what happened? Now your report is like this. So I want to maximize your report. So to maximize, what you should do is then again right click on the report and go to design view. So there under the design view, right click on the form and select build event. So under the build event, then again you have to select the form. You have to select the form like this. Sorry, you have to select the report like this. So under the report, you have to select the load event. Report load event. So when you select the report load event, then there you have to put a small VBA coding do cmd dot maximize. Then save the change and close the VBA window, then just click on the report view. Yeah, now the report is open, the report is maximized. Okay, now that is how you have to change your report and form properties to open to maximize your report and form. Then close the report. Then let's check the process. Yeah, this is my form FRM main. Then I'm going to double click on the form. So when I double click it is maximized. You can see full screen. My form opened. My form is maximized. Then I want to get a specific record. I want to open my report. Now select a record. Now here I select record number 2 and click on the preview report. You can see my report is open. My report is maximized. Report also maximized. Then close the report view. It's like this. So that is how you can change your form and report view properties, or you can maximize your report or form by following the procedures that I have explained from this video. And that is it for today. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and please share this video among your friends. Thank you very much.